I got a homeowner special here. You got any tape or anything? Yeah, it's all there. So down here is damp. This is all damp.
Use the pan.
What?
Use the pan.
Good question. Use the pan. Yeah, this. Is that the pan or is that the tile?
It's a cement.
There's some cement. What the hell is the pan?
Use a pan.
Yeah, I don't see it. Yeah, is that it there? Is that like right there? It's like a 1/4 inch below the top of the cup. Right there. See the cup pan. Okay, so I got a homeowner special here. And he's got a leak. It's going down into his kitchen. This is not a shower I did. The homeowner did it. He's actually a friend, and this is before I knew him that he did this. So I couldn't advise him at the time. And let me just show you what he did. He did, I don't know, if I did it, I wouldn't get paid. All travertine, all the way. And the corners, I mean, you know, homeowner that doesn't have any experience, really any experience with tile. So it's leaking, as you saw. We rip this out. This has a copper pan. I don't know if you can see it there. Right there. See the copper pan. So there's no waterproofing that goes over the curb, and it's actually, the pan is actually lower than the curb. So I'm gonna try and see if I can waterproof this in some way. I'm gonna use hydroban board, and I'm gonna seal it, and I'm gonna gunk it up in here, get this all sealed up, and see if we can stop the leak. And if we can't stop the leak, then we're gonna have to rip everything out. But you know, it's just a shot. See what we can do to get this shower working again. Corners are cracked because he used grout in the corners, so stained. So I'm going to give him a product, see if he can clean it up a little bit. But yeah, it's all cracked up there. See how this is why you don't use grout in the corners, because it will always crack. It's all cracked over here. It's all cracked over here. Yeah, see, it's all cracked. And that's a place where water can get behind and leak. So this is not the leak. My guess it's something to do with the pan, something to do with these corners because they're all cracked. He didn't put any waterproofing in this shower. So let's see what we can do. Okay, so I got that all sealed up the best I could. This is not something I'd recommend. This is trying to get buttoned up again. Hopefully it won't leak, but I wouldn't guarantee it. Okay, so I got it fixed. I mean, who knows if it's gonna leak again, but we'll see what happens. I do not recommend doing this kind of stuff because odds are it's still gonna leak. But sometimes you have to do what you gotta do.